Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10, the network security key isn't correct. First method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Forget. Second method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Disable and re-enable Wi-Fi adapter. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Uninstall Wi-Fi adapter. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet, click Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset. Fifth method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.